You ready for the meat, Strappy?
No.
No?
No, not ready.
We're bringing this to the meat. Take you to the meat. But you don't want to look right here, though. That's imperfections right there. And all, might have been some leaking, but
what's happening?
It's all fixed now. Teddy.
Boss.
Boss. No, not my license plate. Look at this beast over here.
The red legend.
Look at this beast.
The red beast. That's the daily I really abuse.
Yo, it's Paul. Paul is going to bring the Tesla. Let's bring the Tesla. There's some Pete's nose. Pete's nose Miata is still in the storage, so he's trying to go on the Tesla.
LB nose.
Look at this guy in the Tesla. What is he doing? What is he doing? Made it to the meet.
Made it.
Did we though?
Yep. See, here's the Integra.
I think it's from the right spot.
Yo, look at these two cars right here. These are the stars of the show. Here's one of Paul's favorite cars. Volvo. What? 740, Paul, you said?
Yes, GL.
Very nice. You like the wagon, though, you said.
Yes, that's 745 because it's.
Got EG hatch.
How much money should I waste on it? There's another Tesla over there. Dude, stop.
Got you a Unos Roadster, legit. Right-hand drive.
Because he didn't have a parking ticket.
And then next to another one.
Yo, the neon pulled up here. Oh, there he is.
They buy it?
Oh yeah, this is Hardtop. It's like 10 minutes. 13. The other one was longer, wasn't it?
NAs.
Glasses on.
Yo, neon. Dodge neon.
We're going to the beach. I know.
That's 2000.
I want fucking car. I got the launch.
You can just hold on for a little bit. All right.
One of a kind. Full race.
EG hatch. That's the EG hatch. It's an actual Aristo. Not a GS300, but an Aristo. SRT4 neon, and there's another, the other neons right there. This nice WRX Hawkeye. Remember the Civic from last year, the blue SIR Civic EM1. 7th Gen Celica. Z28 Camaro, 4th Gen. Police are here. Uh-oh, the police. Oh my god.
What car?
Sorry.
What car is that yellow?
Ice 300. Lexus.
What behind that guy? What car is that? Terminal velocity. Auto fire with a cyber. Look like I'm in a gang. The guy at the yellow Miata is in a gang.
Look at this.
He's in an accent. Feel like I'm in a gang. No, it's
5 a.m. 9 p.m. to 5 a.m.
That's a 9 to 5? No, but 5 to 9. It's the same as 9 to 5. No. You mean 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Beetle.
It's not. Slow cars.
Look at all these plushies.
Slow core love. Me for real.
You don't have a this troll. Beauty.